In LibreCAD, you can create a rectangle using two different methods, the Rectangle tool and the Polyline tool. Here's how to use both methods to create a rectangle. Method 1, using the Rectangle tool. Select the Rectangle tool from the toolbar. It usually looks like a rectangle or square icon. Click on the starting point of one corner of the rectangle. Move your cursor to the opposite corner of the rectangle and click again. This defines the dimensions of the rectangle. A rectangle with the specified dimensions will be created. Method 2, using the Polyline tool. Select the Polyline tool from the toolbar. The Polyline tool is often represented by an icon resembling a series of connected line segments. Click on one corner of the rectangle to start the polyline. Move your cursor to the next corner of the rectangle and click. This will create the first line segment. Continue moving your cursor to the next corner and clicking until you have defined all four sides of the rectangle. To close the polyline and create a filled rectangle, move your cursor to the starting point and click again, and then right-click to finish to complete the rectangle. Using the Rectangle tool is the more straightforward and efficient way to create a rectangle because it is specifically designed for this purpose. It allows you to specify the dimensions and create a rectangle with precision. The Polyline method is more versatile, as you can use it to create various shapes by connecting line segments. However, it requires more steps and precision to ensure you have a perfect rectangle. Choose the method that best suits your needs and the level of precision you require in your LibreCAD drawing.